How to add a section into Wix editor. So right here from the main page of Wix, I've simply clicked on edit site and this has taken me to the Wix website editor. So if we want to add a section, then it's fairly simple. All we have to do is choose the second option right here from the left hand side, which says add section, and we have to choose the type of section that we want to add to our Wix website. As you can see, we have a welcome section, about, gallery, theme, contact, so on and so forth. You can see all of these right here, and I also have basic image, text, and list. For this, I will do a welcome section. So if we want to add this to our Wix website, then we will simply drag it and drop it anywhere on the page. And as you can see, now we have created a new section which we can rename right here. So we can choose the name for the section. We can do intro or we can do welcome. And we also can add a URL suffix here. Now, what else can we change? If we click on it, then this appears, change background, and we can choose a different background for our welcome section. And we can also edit the text by double clicking on the text box itself. And here we can type out anything we want. And we can also customize this button right here, what it leads to. And we can also edit this text as well. But basically that's how you add a section to your Wix website. And if you want to move it, then you can just adjust the size right here, and you can move the section down or up. As you can see, if I click on move down, then this moves down. If I click on move up, then this moves the section up. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.